Hello dear friends, myself Professor Khodde Rushikesh and you are watching BSc Botany Studies classes. We are discussing about nitrogen metabolism chapter and here we are discussing the point is given that biofertilizer production, importance and production of blue-green algae biofertilizer. In previous part we have studied that the pure culture and mass culture production are two different techniques are available for blue-green algae production. For industrial or large scale production we are talking. But in that we have two steps. The first step was pure culture production and another step which was dependent upon pure culture is mass culture production. So for production of mass culture you have to first create or produce pure culture. In previous lecture we have discussed how to create pure culture. You can watch that video. The link is given on the video. So today we are going to discuss about the mass culture production. This mass culture production technique is most easy to remember. I have made 4 different distinctions between mass culture production technique. So in comparative fashion we will be discussing, so it will be very easy for you to understand and to remember it forever. So the mass culture production involve 4 different alternative techniques. You can select any one. So depending upon your capacity or industrial capacity, you can select any method. Out of them you have 4 different methods. First method is Truk method. Another method is pit method. I will just give it little more space. Third method is a pot or field method, or you can say pot method, and fourth method is nursery method. So I have made 4 distinct points here. What 4 distinct points? Truk method, pit method, pot method, which is also known as field method, and nursery method are the 4 points which are given in mass culture production of BGA biofertilizer we are talking here. So first of all, remember Truk method is for small area. This method require pit somewhat larger than Truk method. This method it takes almost 40 square meter and this method almost require 300 square meter. So I am making distinction to make you remember why we are discussing this. We are creating mass culture. In that we have 4 different techniques. So each technique have their own specific characteristic. First of all, in Truk method you will require very small area. For example, tray. In pit method you will require somewhat 1 meter diameter tray. 1 meter diameter pit. Pit means you are making or digging the soil. Then you are going to for pot method which takes 40 square meter distance. 40 square meter means very much as compared to the 1 meter. And finally in nursery method you will require 350 square meter area. 360 actually. 360 square meter area. Don't forget these values. So it was regarding the differences in size. So nursery method is done generally for very much large production. Also field or pot method also require for large scale production. In small scale production of BGA biofertilizer, Truk method and pit method are generally useful. You will have to write in your notebook whatever I am talking in this video. So first differentiating point was the area requirement wise. It just require a tray 6 by 3 by 9 inches which has capacity to hold almost 10 kg soil. Here we are creating 1 square meter pit in the soil. Pit means what? If this is a layer of soil, you are making a hole in a soil up to 1 meter. That is pit. So don't forget this. This can hold up to 20 to 40 kg of soil. In this pot method, the soil holding capacity is almost 200 to 400 kg. Soil I am talking here. You have to add soil for making biofertilizer. So we have discussed in pure culture preparation. So don't forget this. In nursery method, there is a open field, no limit to add soil. You can add up to 500 to 700 kg of soil. So these are the points I am making here to distinguish between how much requirement is there. So you can go with the method which is suitable for you. Okay, this is very important lecture, so please listen carefully. In truck method, you will have to add superphosphate. You will have to add superphosphate. Superphosphate quantity for addition in case of truck method is small as compared to the other method. In each method, you will have to superphosphate. So question is, why we are adding superphosphate here? Superphosphate generally added in a soil to increase the pH of soil. Don't forget this. Superphosphate, whenever we add in a soil, we are expecting to increase the soil, where if soil pH is 5, after adding superphosphate, the pH will be 7. Okay. So to create pH around 7, you will have to add superphosphate. Along with the superphosphate, you cannot independently add only superphosphate here. Along with the superphosphate, you will have to add calcium carbonate. Here also you will have to add calcium carbonate. In all the rest of the process, you will have to add calcium carbonate. Similar, some processes are similar, but you just have to remember the scale is increasing. Here nursery, you are taking high mass production. In a truck method, you are taking small scale production. Okay. So let's discuss one by one about the each and every method. In truck method, you will have to select a tray size of 6 inches by 3 inches by 9 inches. So 6 inches width, 9 inches length and 3 inches height tray you should select first. After selecting the tray, you will have to add a soil plus culture. Which culture? The pure culture which we have prepared using pure culture media preparation. That pure culture and soil, generally soil almost up to 10 centimeter layer of soil you have to add in this process. After that, you will have to add superphosphate. Already we have said the importance of superphosphate here. After adding superphosphate, you will have to add sawdust. What is sawdust? Sawdust means after making furnitures, whatever remaining is there, that remaining is very useful for growth of the blue-green algae, and it absorbs water and make the field watery. Then after that, you will have to add water for sufficient period. After 2 to 3 weeks, you will find in truck method the blue-green algae production has been takes place. So another is pit method. What you are doing in this pit method, you are digging the ground for 1 square meter. So 1 square meter is much huge area as compared to the tray method. Tray are generally small. The soil is digged, but to avoid water percolation in pit method, you are putting plastic sheet inside. So what will happen? Water will not percolate. You can do 1 pit, 2 pits or many pits at the one time. Here we are talking about 1 pit. by digging in 1 square meter area. After putting the plastic sheet, the same procedure can be applicable. You will have to fill the soil up to 20 centimeter. You have to add soil and plus which culture? Pure culture. Which pure culture? You have prepared in first step. In previous lecture we have discussed how to create pure culture. After adding soil and pure culture, you will have to add superphosphate and calcium in this, calcium carbonate, and sawdust and watering should be takes place. After 2 to 3 weeks, you have to remember, after 2 to 3 weeks you will find the blue-green algae are growing there. After growth of blue-green algae has been completed, you will have to stop the procedure. You can harvest that blue-green algae. The another process is that the field method. What is this field method? It is also known as pot method. In this field method, you will have to select pot size almost around 40 square meter. 40 square meter is much huge area as compared to the 1 square meter. So in this method, you are doing or creating a pot where you are adding soil. Soil is almost around already we have said in 100 kgs quantity. After adding soil, you have to add a pure culture. After adding pure culture, the procedure will remain same. You just have to remember this, why I have made this separation. The procedure will remain somewhat same, but as you are going this side, the scale of production is increasing. As you are going this side, the scale of production is decreasing. If you are doing for your farm, your backyard, your garden, you can go for this process. If you are going to export somewhere in industrial scale or you want to sell it in market, you can go for these steps. So after adding soil and pure medium, then adding superphosphate and calcium and watering this watering everything. After a few days, you will find after 2 to 3 weeks, blue-green algae are growing. But it is important to remember here, in nursery method, you will have to take a crop rice along with the BGA growth. You will have to take help of rice plant here. So you cannot independently growing the BGA alone, as in these 3 steps you are growing BGA independently without having any other plant association. Here we are using rice plant along with the BGA growth, as we have studied associative non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation process, where we have seen the monocot plant, rice, wheat plant, where the root area, the soil around the root contain the blue-green algae. Here we are taking the help of rice. That's why the area is increased. In this case, almost around 360 square meter area. For example, suppose this is the field, open field. It is like open field practice. You can say you have to make pits, you have to arrange pots of 40 square meter around it, and this much area is 320 square meter, and these pots are 40 square meter. So nursery method is nothing but the advancement in pot method or field method, you can say. In 4 different methods, you have to keep in your mind that sunlight availability should be there. Without sunlight availability, you cannot go to do practice about blue-green algae biofertilizer mass production. So for mass production, you have 2 steps, pure culture preparation and mass culture preparation. Before creating mass culture, you should go for pure culture preparation. For pure culture preparation, you should go to isolate the soil which is around the rice or wheat plant. So with this, we have completed the biofertilizer production. In next lecture, we will be discussing the remaining points in nitrogen metabolism. Thank you for your time, and please subscribe this channel. Bye.